this is the soursop tree that I planted about 3 years ago. It has produced so many fruits. As you can see, fine fruits, big ones. Can you see? Yeah. Many of them we have harvested. We have actually eaten them and we enjoy them. Yeah, this is the tree. Produced well this year. This is about third year. It's now producing very well. First of all, you need to wash your hand. Yes. Let your hand be very clean. Don't use a clean cloth. Knife. So this is a heart. We use this heart house. So you see how we use that one. Okay. So we use also. Your hand be very clean, right? Okay. After removing the outer shell, the skin of the soursop, we have the inner flesh that we want to extract the juice from. Put it in a sieve like this. Put it in a sieve. Make sure your hands are very clean. Begin to extract the juice off, removing all the seeds out of it. Okay, so you remove the seed, and we can get the juice out. Remove the seed. To juice the soursop, we can use this other method, the second method, by removing all the seed with your hand. Make sure your hands are very clean. Remove all the seed one by one. This can take time. Remove the seeds one by one. Ensure there is no seed there. Okay. See, as I'm doing here now, seeds removed. Okay, the seeds are very many, so we need to remove all of them carefully. See now. Then put the pulp without the seed in the plate like this. Few seconds, up to 1 minute, and very sweet. Okay, we can now cover this. Alright. Add little water so that it can blend well. it.